Welcome back. Sierra here again with another recipe. This one will probably be one of my shorter recipes videos just because it is so simple. Bacon avocado fries. You'll need avocados. Obviously, I've already cut them up here. And you will need bacon, which I've already cut in half. While you cut and wrap the avocado slices, you're going to preheat your oven to 450 degrees. So as you can see here, I've already sliced up my avocado into decent sized pieces. All you're going to do is wrap the avocados in the bacon. Just like that, and you'll want them on a pan with a piece of parchment paper with the seam side down if you can. It's not the easiest because they're both kind of slimy. But super easy. Basically 3 of my favorite things: avocados, bacon, and fries. Alright, so once you're done, wash out my hands first. So once you're done, you're going to pop these in the oven for about 15 minutes. And just depending on how you like your bacon, you can either take them out at that time or do them in like 2-minute increments until you get the crispiness that you want. Enjoy!